We have received a really challenging design brief.
There's different floor heights, different styles.
The brief was a Mediterranean home. We wanted to do it in a different way though.
This is unrecognisable.
I'm knocking out that wall. That'll be dining, that'll be kitchen, that'll be lounge.
This will be the most challenging renovation we've ever done, and potentially ever will.
It is the biggest transformation of the whole entire home.
Next week's a huge week for outside.
Oh, no way.
Hey, but the tiles look incredible. Oh my God, this house is going to be amazing.
This is just unbelievable.
We really want to bring to light some of the beautiful Mediterranean features.
That is amazing.
I'm going to say it, they're my favourite rooms we've ever done.